Hi everyone, my name is Khushi and I'm going into 11th grade. And for many people, they think memorization is all about, finding the best techniques, fundamentally in ways that you have to mug it up. Like you have to say this 50 billion times and that's the only way you can memorize something. And what I've learned in these past 3 days is that's not the way. Forget that technique ever existed because your imagination and your mind or inner genius in you is the best way to get memorization. So in other words, you don't have to spend 4 hours memorizing the 100 roots of pi. I did it in 25 minutes. I'm not lying. Even when I walked into this room, I was like, shoot, it's gonna take me like an hour to get this down because we're doing like a demo today and I'm supposed to say the 100 roots of pi. And I'm not gonna lie, I just sat down for 20 minutes with 100% focus and using the technique that I was taught, I was able to get all 100 digits down. And it's not just that. People think that memorization is only for older kids or younger kids. This technique that's been being taught to us is for all age levels, and it's a unique way. Usually memorization is so boring. But with the unique way taught to me, I'm not bored about memorizing because it's like a story I'm coming up with. So I recommend it to anyone who's in high school, middle school, or elementary school person because what you're using right now or what they've taught us, you all may think that it's not going to help us, okay, maybe once or twice. But as a learner who has learned this, I know for a fact that if I may not use it in school, I will use it throughout my life in one way or another. Thank you.